So let's see today's lovely recipe of chicken kebabs. They're very easy and delicious. So this is half a kilo of mince. You can take any mince. To that I'm going to be adding about 2.5 tablespoons of finely minced onions. Next I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of finely minced garlic. So roughly about 8 cloves of garlic chopped very fine. Next go in 2 green chilies chopped fine. Now you can adjust the spiciness according to your taste. You can add more or less. 4 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander. This coriander also really flavors the dish. Next I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Now this is not a sponsored video, but I like to use the Sam's red chili sauce. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. 2 teaspoons of paprika, or you can also use Kashmiri chili powder if you don't have paprika. Next I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of mustard sauce. Now I like to use the English mustard sauce, but you can use whatever you have at hand. 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Some salt to taste. I'm going to beat up 1 egg and add that to it. And just one more ingredient to go. And here I've just taken about 1/4 cup of bread and just crumbled it up, or you can even put it into your mixer and just grind it to a coarse powder, and then mix everything together till it looks like this. You can keep this in your refrigerator and make the kebabs whenever you want, and then just shape them into kebabs like this, or you can even make them into the longer sausage kind of kebabs. This is super delicious, guys. You have to try this out. And then just shallow fry it on a low to medium flame. Let it get cooked really nicely. And I like to serve it with some nicely, sliced rounds of onion and some lemon. So just squeeze some lemon on it and enjoy this kebabs. I hope you like this recipe. Do give it a try and do let me know how you like it. I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.